Okay, let's start to use Admin Center. I love it. So I am on the admin workstation and I will run PowerShell. And first of all, I will download the Admin Center. So let's start a bit transfer. Okay, and let's start to go to AKMS Mac or download Windows Admin Center, and let's start to download the product. So he's connecting and he's transferring the background intelligent bits. So you know it's something very nice. And with bits, you can restart where you stopped the download of the file. So it's very known, okay? Now I will start my process of installing and running the installation. I'm gonna set the registry with the port, and I will generate SSL. So we'll start the process. Argument list, download, and QN log registry port, and the ports here, and I will do generate for the certificate. So the installation will take 2 minutes. After installation, you may encounter the error message, error connection refused. If this occurs, restart the admin console. Okay. So let's wait 2 minutes. All went fantastic, so all has been installed. So now let's connect to our server. Let's run this and we connect directly to our admin center. So for that, I will go and connect to the admin center on for free, and I will do enter. When prompted, just type your credential and the password. Okay, so sometimes you can have a pop-up new in this release, okay, and we can review all the connection page, and that include the admin server. So now let's go to all connection and go in add, and I need to add a server. I can add a VM, Windows PC server cluster with Windows Server Azure Stack HCI hyper-convergent. So I'm going to click on add, and on the name, on the server name, I'm going to add my domain controller. Okay. And you must ensure that use another account for this connection is selected. And I'm going to add, of course, again, my admin account here and my password. And I will do add with credential. So if you have a message saying that you can add this server to your list of connection, but we can't confirm it's available, appear, select add, and in the all connection pane, select again the ASE server 1, and then select manage as. And in the specify credential dialog box, ensure that use another account for this connection option is selected, and enter the admin. Okay, so this is important. So I can use add here. Okay, and I can select, you know, this one. I can click on manage as and specify this credential. Okay, so and this is, you know, a way that you're sure that you're connected to the right one. Okay, so this credential is stored for this channel. Your credential didn't work. Try again. So use crease credential. Okay, so that's good. I can use my here. Let's see. Okay, So I'm just going to be sure that it's okay, and I'm going to type the password again. PA. Okay, let's see if it's okay. Yeah, that's good. And I do continue here. And now it's okay. Okay, so it's something that you can have. Let's see how to install an extension. This is very nice. I'm going to go here to setting here. And on the setting here, I will go on extension. And you can review the available extension. There is so many here, okay? See, you have very, and you have one with security preview, okay? So I can click on security preview here. And this tool provides you the latest information about your server and cluster security. See, this is very nice. You can have some information here. So I can go here and click on install here. Okay. And the extension will install and Windows Admin Center will refresh. So if I go on install extension here, I can see that you have installed an extension, and you can verify that the list include the DNS preview extension. Let's see here. Yeah, DNS preview extension here. So on the top menu next to settings, select the drop down arrow and select server manager. Okay, so I can see that I have my server manager. And here I can go now to server manager. On the server manager, I'm going to select this one, okay? And I can go here, connecting, and I'm here. So to install the DNS partial tools in the left pane, in the list of tools, we can select DNS. Okay, so here we have a list. Okay, so we have all this here. So I will install here DNS here, and in DNS I can start to do installs. Okay, so I'm going to do install here. And he's installing that. And hurrah, that's all. You can see, for example, cotoso.com, and you can review the list of DNS record all down here. Cool. So now we'll verify the remote admin. Okay, so in your admin center, in Windows Admin Center, in the left pane, in the list of tools, select Overview. Okay, so you can go here, and in the tools, I'm going to select Overview. So I'm just going to go here, just to be sure that I'm the right server. Oh no, I must be on admin, on my admin center. Sorry. So here I just clicked on my server and overview here, and in the overview you have some admin center basic service information, performance monitoring. In the left pane, the list of tools, scroll down and review the basic admin tools available. All this, see, all these tools is available. And we're going to select role and feature. That's it. And you can note which roles and features are listed, are installed, and which one are available to install. Scroll down, and we're going to select the Telnet client. Okay, so we're going to go here, and we're going to select the Telnet client. Okay, just have to find it. Yeah, that's it. It's available. It's not installed. And we're going to click on it here. Okay, just have to do not like this, sorry. Telnet client, yeah, that's it. And now you can click on install here. In the install roles and features pane, select yes, okay, here, yes, and wait for the message confirming that Telnet client was installed successfully, okay. So I'm going to click on Here, yes. And that's it. At the very bottom of the left page, below the list of tools, select Setting. So here I have Setting here. In the Settings section on the right slide, select Remote Desktop. Okay. So here I have here, and I have Remote Desktop. And on the Remote Desktop section, select the option Allow Remote Connection to this computer, and save it. So I go here. Okay. See, so it's very easy to do what you want here. And on allow remote connection for this computer checkbox, allow here, and then select save. Okay, so that's good. We did it. So in the left pane, the list of tools, select remote desktop. Okay, so here I will have remote desktop here. So here's remote desktop. And in the remote desktop here, see, I can, just welcome and put the credential and select connect. Okay, cool. If I want to do the same thing here on Server Manager, all connection, I can also do the same thing here. And I can go all down in the setting here and also go on remote desktop and enable remote desktop. Okay, so remote desktop here, and I can enable this also on your DC1. So I can connect now to my DC1 by remote desktop just using the admin center. So again, I'm gonna just select the right one here. I'm going to save, and now of course I can connect directly to my remote desktop. For that, I just go here on remote desktop, and I can now, if I want, connect directly with my password and click on connect here. See, so I can put the password. Okay, and I can confirm, and I can do connect now. Now I'm connected to my remote desktop, and I like it because it's inside, just a page. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so let's do disconnect here, and that's it. Show you now how I can also do admin server with remote PowerShell. So let's do a small lab here. You can use also, and for example, I'm gonna go in my DC1. And now you see I'm on my DC1. And for example, I can display the status of application identity services. So for that, I just do get services, and I can see the status of this one. And you can verify that the service actually is stopped. So if I want to start it, you can do like this, and you can start it like this, and that's it. And if I again do a get service app ID, I see it started. Okay, so you have just installed Windows Admin Center and connected it to the server. You perform a number of remote management tasks, including installation and feature, as well as enabling and testing remote desktop connectivity. And finally, you use PowerShell remoting to check the status of your service and start it. That's all for Admin Center. Thank you, folks.